So if you'll check the sheet, we have about 25 booked appointments, and my client was actually able to sit with 10 homeowners from these 25 booked appointments, and he was actually able to close 8 deals out of those appointments that he sat with. So he made over $50,000 with these 8 deals, and we made over $5,000 with these 10 confirmed sit-ins. And we are going to renew again, and we are going to again sell him 25 to 30 sets this time, which is going to be about more than $10,000 to $15,000, right? So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to book appointments and deliver it to your SMMA clients from your Facebook leads. Okay, so it's easy to set up Facebook leads, as you have all been doing that for some time now, but it takes a lot of effort to book appointments, and that's what we are going to talk about in this video. And we are also going to talk about how you can give a better guarantees, and how it can help you scale your agency if you are giving appointments with the leads, right? So let's dive into one of our clients sheet that we've been working with, and we are working with him on the same model that we are giving him leads plus appointments, right? So we are generating him leads for him, and we are also booking appointments for him. So you can see this is a Spanish client that we are working with him, and I have a Spanish appointment setter on this campaign. So we have booked about 10 appointments for him with 80 leads that we have generated for him, right? So if you'll count these, if you'll count the numbers, if you'll do the math, it's about 12%, right? Or 12 to 15% appointment booking rate, which is, I would say, fair, standard rate if you compare with the Facebook lead form to the appointment book. Okay, so let's talk about the things that we are going to need in order to start setting up these appointments. Okay, so once you set up your Facebook ad, it needs to be connected to a GoHighlevel account, and your GoHighlevel account has to be connected through a Twilio or an in-house calling software that GoHighlevel is offering, so that your GoHighlevel should be capable of making phone calls, right? Once you are all set up, once your leads are going from your Facebook leads to your GoHighlevel account, it should be fairly easy. You can do that. If you'll go to settings, you will see integration here, and you can integrate your Facebook account, and you can actually connect your Facebook account, Facebook leads, to your GoHighlevel, and it will start importing in this opportunity section here. Okay, so you see we have about 68 leads here, and then we have 10 confirmed appointments, which is 78. We have 1 or 2 leads missing here and there, but that does not matter because all the appointments are already here. So how we do this, so just need the Facebook ads connected to your GoHighlevel account, right? And the second thing that you need is an appointment setter. So you can hire these appointment setters from Philippines, India, Pakistan, countries where it's going to be respectively cheaper for you. Also, you have to make sure that they have really good accents, because if they have bad accents or neutral accents, then it's not going to work, because they need to pull off some kind of American accent, because that's where the customers they will be talking to. All right, so once the leads start coming into your GoHighlevel account, all your setter has to do is start making these phone calls and start moving these appointments, moving these leads in the respective stages, right? So you can see the stages that I have set up. New lead had conversation, appointment confirmed, contact no response, system sold, all these appointments, right? So we have still a lot of appointments that needs to go here, contacted no response, but we are only focusing about appointments, so you're not managing it properly, but you can go ahead and do that if you want. And there are other things that you can implement to make sure that your appointment booking rate is higher, which is going to be setting up automated follow-up text messages and emails. So right now we are not doing anything like that. We're just making phone calls, trying to get a hold of these customers, because the leads are not that much. It's only 80 leads so far, so it won't take us much long to go through all these leads and start booking appointments, right? So just you can start booking these appointments, and you can start sending it to your clients, right? So you can do few things with these appointments. You can either ask them to buy appointments directly from you, or you can pitch them leads plus appointments on a retainer model. So we are doing this for some clients now. So we are working with some clients on a retainer, like they are paying us monthly basis, and we are like, booking appointments for them. We are generating them leads, and in this case we are charging them per appointment. So let's say we are charging $500 per sit-in appointment. So we are making about $5,000 with 10 appointments, and it's on us, like, how fast or how soon we can deliver these appointments so that they can go ahead and make a new purchase, right? So let's say if they're buying 10 appointments for $5,000, and these are sit-in appointments, right? So not just like, booked appointments, these are sit-in appointments. They actually have to sit with the homeowner to be considered as an appointment, right? So it is going to cost them $5,000 or $4,000 depending on your price. And if you deliver that within a week or two, then, like, they will be obviously buying more. Or even if they buy 10 more appointments, so, like, you will be doing at least $10,000 of business with a single client, right? But if you're working with a retainer client, you're only doing like $2,000 or $3,000 of business, right? So that's the difference between selling the appointments directly and selling your services as a lead plus appointment setter. So you have to, like, decide what kind of service that you want to sell to your clients, right? So this was a quick video that I wanted to show you guys how you can start booking appointments for your clients, and how you can, like, improve your delivery and retention, client retention overall. I mean, we can still, like, talk about setting up complex follow-ups and automation once, like, you have a big list of leads. But I'd say appointment setter is going to do a job perfectly fine. And let's say, like, if you go through all these list of leads, then, like, you can start thinking of implementing some sort of follow-up, because once you have burned all these leads through the appointment setter, then you can go ahead and start a follow-up and see, like, if you can still book a few more appointments from these leads. But it has to be a big list, like 1,000 or 2,000 list, to make it work. All right, guys, so I think that's it from my end. If you have any other question, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.